If the function f is defined by f of x negative 1 over 2 equals to x square positive 1, what is the value of f of negative 3? Okay, let's compare this stuff. That is f of x negative 1 over 2 and f of negative 3. At the place of x negative 1 over 2, we have negative 3. So we can equate this one to negative 3. Then we get an equation that is x negative 1 over 2 equals to negative 3. Let's solve for x in this equation. Let me multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. I am getting x negative 1 equals to negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Now let me add 1 to both sides of the equation. This negative 1 positive 1 will cancel out. I am getting x on the left side. On the right side, when I combine negative 6 and positive 1, I am getting negative 5. Here I got the value of x, that is a negative 5. When I plug in negative 5 for x over here, the evaluation of this expression is negative 3. Okay, let me plug in negative 5 for x into the given function over here. Then we have f of negative 5 negative 1 over 2 equals to, on the right side also we have to plug in this negative 5 for x over here. Then we get negative 5 the whole square positive 1. Okay, f of, when I combine negative 5 and negative 1, I am getting negative 6. In denominator we have 2. The evaluation of negative 5 the whole square is 25, and we can take this positive 1 as it is. Okay, f of, when I simplify this one, I am getting negative 3. On the right side, when I combine positive 25 and positive 1, I am getting positive 26. Here I got the value of f of negative 3, that is 26. I find 26 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.